everybody. We didn't catch a lot yesterday, so we're back out today. We are back where we, what is this? Something extracts, a can. Back to where we got the suitcase, and as you can tell, there's even more trash than last time. There's a homeless guy passed out over there. Look at all this trash. That looks like metal right there. It's like a mailbox. Yeah. Straw. A syringe. No needle. Thank goodness. Yeah, some brown stuff in it though. More homeless over there. We're just gonna carry on our business. I know there's homeless people everywhere, but this has been a good area for us. Ooh, she got something. First pull. Piece of a shopping cart. What do you think? And a piece of wire. Oh, look. Oh, that was a big swivel. In the bucket. It's awfully light. Let's have metal in the middle, because that's plastic right there. Two batteries and a little sliver. It's a chav can, as they say in the UK. CO2, another battery. Oh, another chav. Big nail. Some hookers.
Bunch of junk.
Oh, look, there's a piece of a
stab yourself.
Piece of a fishing lure. Actually, it is a whole lure. What that was, some homemade CO2. Some guy just standing there peeing. Another CO2. That guy is still peeing over there. How rude. He's peeing. Just walking around. Oh, big washer. Some flakes. Some bits and bobs. Okay, so that guy that was pissing is over the bus stop now. That's just disgusting. Bunny had me put on my knife, if you can see that. I'm wearing it on my belt, but just in case. What did you get? Oh wow. And that is a humongo bit.
Part of a bicycle, a lock.
Somebody's shirt. A lot of wire. Cal amp. Looks like that's somebody's earring. It's a gold earring. Piece of a can lid. A stick. A fishing line. Piece of a razor blade. Another whole razor blade. There's another piece of, oh, 4 different. Oh, for God's sakes, there's always something going on at this corner. This, whatever this is, fork, bike. Wow, that was a jackpot, bunny. Can't even carry all this stuff.
Maybe I should bring my own bucket.
Only have one bucket. Watch out for all those razor blades right there.
Yeah.
Look at all this stuff in one throw. That's crazy amount of stuff, isn't it? I just have to keep coming back to this place. This is the only place we ever find a bunch of stuff. Oh, looks like Sleeping Beauty woke up over there. Alright. I don't know what that is. I'm telling you, this corner is always exciting. There's another ambulance. Bolt. Some wire. Scrap of something. Oh, sleeping guy is on the move now. part of a fence post or something. I don't think it's a rod holder. It's kind of funky if it is. Look, I got. What did you get?
Oh, it looks like a ammo thing, doesn't it?
Oh my god. Oh my god, Bunny, it is. It's a clip. Oh my god. It's the closest thing to a gun we've ever got. Look on the end. It's got bullets. Look right there.
Wow.
See it?
Yeah.
It's like copper tip or something. All right. Get the gun. Get the gun. I knew this was a good spot. Now we gotta find the gun. For a minute there, I thought I might have a gun handle or barrel that we're looking for, but nope. Just a springy spring. Ooh. What'd you get?
That.
It's from like, hey, you could use that to put your rope on. What else?
Washer. Hook. Bolt.
Nuts. There's quite a gathering at the bus stop now. All the people over there. As long as they don't bother us. I'm telling you, the risks we take to get footage. Hook. Check this out. Toyota keychain. Oh look, you can make your own little homemade fishing.
Maybe that's what they were using it for.
Yeah, you can make your own little homemade fishing pole if you didn't have much. What the hell? Look at that. It's a treble hook. Treble hook with a spring around it. Interesting. Yeah, it's a little tiny
Shrimp fork.
cocktail. That's metal. It's a cocktail fork for your shrimp cocktail. I got something. You might could use, this is like chrome. You could use that as a garden stake. This part's solid. It's a big old piece of rebar. It's all little barnacled up. Stick it in there anyway. Oh look! I didn't even noticed I had something.
Scissors? Another pair?
Remember I caught one last time with the
I think you got
the claw went right through the hole. That's a headbanger. Come in handy around here.
some damage to somebody.
Tire weight, flake, another blade. Is that a squish battery? Looks like it. Oh, got quite a bit on that one.
Probably goes with that bike frame.
Center of a hubcap or something. I mean, we got a lug nut last time. Oh, it's a little bell from the. I think I need to get in the sun or something. Telling her, two of the seemingly homeless guys walked by. Gave him the nod, hello. One of them said, "You're doing a great job." You see, just never know about people. You do still have to be careful. Remember what I said about not everybody is nice. I don't know if this guy thinks we're fishing or not. We came over and now he's like skipping rocks. Right where we're, as far as he knows, we're fishing. So I don't know why he's like skipping rocks all of a sudden. Oh my god.
Like a
Wow, it's like, that's, I mean, you can like make shit out of that. That's like solid, chunky metal. It's like a metal bomb. And I have a little tiny baby treble hook stuck in there. There you get.
Big tweezers.
So we got tweezers.
Hey, those are good for picking out gold flakes in the pan.
Oh yeah. Snagger. Snagger to the rescue. Seriously, I can use these to get the flower gold out of the pan. Wow.
Oh, and a spoon. Bonus attachment.
Bonus! We found this clip, and you can see, looks like a copper top battery. I mean bullet. The copper top commercial. I don't really see any writing on here. I don't know, those look like little bullets. Those of you that know guns will know what kind that is. I got one of the bullets out. Go clean it in some water and oops. I was just scraping it with a knife. Then he's like, "Do you think that's wise?" I said, "Oh, probably not." That's what it looks like. It's definitely full. Pantera. I'm trying to do something here. Alright, let me clean it up. See if I can read what gauge it is. It's pretty color.